Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Dish. I have a messy pantry that needs some work, so I thought I'd take you with me through the whole process of cleaning and organizing the pantry. Let's take a look. This is the inside of my pantry. As you can see, it's definitely disorganized. Everything's kind of just thrown around. It looks like a tornado hit it, actually. And this is our secret drawer, actually. We have all of our Indian snacks and treats down here. We keep them hidden away from our kids. They love Maggi noodles. They love cookies. We have to keep everything hidden, otherwise these won't last more than a couple of days. Okay. Let's move on to the other pantry. Right here. And in this one we mostly keep our cereals, anything we get in bulk from Costco. We have atta, chawal, dalia, noodles, anything. All right, let's organize. So this is what I have to work with. Let's start off with these clear bins. They're clear so you can see what's inside. They have a clip on top so you can seal it and everything stays nice and fresh. And the best part is that they're stackable. And this lovely jar, I got it especially for our mix of cashews, almonds, pecans, raisins. I like to make a mix and the family loves to eat all that. So I'll open up and there we are. It's just a glass jar and I'm sure it'll look nice once it's filled up. And then on this side we have just some white bins. I plan on throwing some snacks in here, treats, any loose packets that we have open, noodles, pasta noodles, lasagna, all of that great stuff will go inside. Oh yes, and of course, labels. So I'm gonna start filling up everything, and when I'm done, I will show you what it looks like. Here we go, I'm all ready. So on the top shelf, let's start up here. I've kept everything that my kids have no interest in. And we have dressings, cans, glass jars and bottles, tea, coffee, any of the sandwich spreads, peanut butter and Nutella. Of course, our pure desi ghee, which we use on a daily basis. I haven't used anything fancy, no fancy bins, containers, racks, because honestly, I will be the only one up here, and I'm not going to be throwing stuff around. I'm pretty organized that way, so this will stay as it is. And this works fine for me. All right, this is our second shelf. I have kept all of the snacks that my kids need and love in these white bins. They have little handles, so their little hands can just grab them, pull them down, and they can go through this and see what they want. Cookies, crackers, popcorn. These are little snacks, school snacks, goldfish, crackers. These are very popular here. Some applesauce, fruit lathers, and then back there we have some of our Indian cookies. Parle-G, of course. And our chips, Lay's, some Pringles, and this glass jar. Don't worry, I will not be keeping this glass jar here. I'm going to move it out and put it onto the counter so the kids can't reach it. But you can see I've put all of the almonds, raisins, cashews in there, mix it up. Love it. And down here we have cereal. All right. Yes, a few of those are quite sugary, but actually my husband, he's Bengali, so he loves sweets. Sometimes he gets overexcited and he'll get sugary cereals, but the funny thing is he prefers those, and my kids prefer the more of these sugar-free cereals, the Rice Krispies, Corn Flakes, some Cheerios. But these right here, the Fruit Loops, those are for my husband. All right, let's move on down to my secret compartment. I have hidden away more Indian cookies. Doesn't matter if you're born in Canada or born in India. We are desi at heart, and it's in our blood. We love our Indian treats. These are cashew, and those are the butter ones. Some Indian chips. And what are these? These are like those green chutney style ones. They're really good. And these are stackable. So I have down here some Maggi noodles. Again, I have to hide these. If my son sees them, he will be eating them every day. He loves them. And in here I have some chai patti. Actually, this is special chai patti. My husband has ordered from Kolkata. And because he's Bengali, he drinks a different type of chai. I'm Punjabi, so my chai is a little bit different. So we actually end up making our own. Our tastes are so different. All right, this is the family pantry. Let's move on down to the other pantry on my left side, which is Mommy's pantry. Here it is. My pantry. Let's start from the top. Here I have, start here. Golgappe. Again, we love golgappe. Who doesn't like golgappe? So good. And actually we found them at the grocery store here. I didn't know they have them here. These are Haldiram's Pani Puri, and I'm definitely waiting to munch on these. In these bins, I have noodles, that I've opened up. Pasta noodles, stir-fry noodles. There's some extra oatmeal. And in here we have just the lasagna noodles. Maybe I'll make a lasagna one day. And lasagna noodles. And then over here we just have some cornstarch, breadcrumbs, and more soup. So everything that we get from bulk will go in here. We go to Costco a lot, and a lot of these items are from Costco. All right, so here I have all of my dal, the kidney beans, chickpeas. I have besan, rice flour, corn flour, and oatmeal in the back. Look how nice and colorful it all looks. I mean, I'm getting excited and it's making me want to go and cook something right now. And, oh, down here, we have our everyday mommy essentials, kitchen essentials. Rice flour, oh no, this is maida, atta for roti, and some sugar. Vinegar, more atta. Now these containers, clear containers, I actually had hidden away. I took them out. They're a little bit bigger than those containers. So I decided to put my flour, rice, all of these items that I use daily and I use more of. And they're also really nice and they're also stackable. So if you want, you can just stack them up, right? Like so. But I don't really need to. The pantry is huge. So there it is. This is my new pantry look. Yes, it took a while to set up, to organize, but it is so refreshing and it's actually motivating me to go and do some cooking. Let's see how long I can keep this organized for with 2 kids and a husband in the house. I sincerely hope you liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can now also follow me on Instagram. I have the link in the description box below. See you soon!